days I get. This is my winter home. The Yellowknife Northwest Territory is still home, my main home. I'm down about two to 3 months early, so I could come down and do a little bit of car show stuff. Right now we're in my 1940 Nash. I'll go home for Christmas, and then after Christmas I